Well, it is done. I give to you the Farm Small 1940s A International Harvester Farm All with a equally 1940s Briggs & Stratton Model 23 8 horsepower engine. Runs nice on here. Seems to have plenty of power. Gear ratio is set up where the travel speeds with this engine are the same as they would normally be with the IH engine. I guess we all know as we get a little older, our toys get more expensive. And this is a sweet toy. Couple little things left to do. Need to get some aluminum paint on the rims of the wheels. And we need to get a good coat of nice shiny black on the old Briggs. But other than that, she's a complete project. Let me know what you think of her. The Farm Small.